waves, I'm swimming in the mirror. Ocean wiggle in the vision. Heat waves, I'm swimming in the mirror. I just wanna know what you're dreaming of when you sleep and smile so comfortable. I just wish that I could give you that look that's perfectly unsaid. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. He waves been faking me out. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out.
Are we sure this is the right way?
I think.
So we're here.
Let's just go and see what happens. You know what I feel inspired to do right now? I looked it up on Amazon. We should just do it literally right now.
What?
They make the little, it's ridiculous, but you know what? Like, they make this thing that's like a sling, and you just sling it around yourself, and then you it's like a little pocket, and your dog fits in it.
I've seen people with those.
It's like, when you have a little dog like this that doesn't like to like always walk, it's just,
I think we might be dog backpack people. Hi everyone.
It's honestly
Didn't do an
practical.
intro. It's been about a week since we've filmed anything. And if you couldn't tell, we're going on a hike with little Coco, and as per usual, she's not really enjoying it too much. Northwest Trail.
If anyone-
There's a race going.
what? There's a race?
This is pretty casual.
Okay.
But if anybody has any tips for like how to help your dog be more comfortable like going on walks, we would love to hear it.
Of course.
Why are you laughing? Like
Because
that's
of,
legitimate.
no, I wasn't laughing at what you were saying. I agree. If anybody does have tips, that'd be awesome. But of course, we picked the day to go on a hike in the forest when there's like a run scheduled.
Okay, so be it.
Coco. Oh, you're such a princess.
On most dogs, this would be so super fun. Smell her head.
I know, she smells awesome ever since she got her hair cut. Did she have a haircut in the last video?
I don't know.
I can't remember. I don't know. She got her hair cut. She was looking a little naked mole ratty for like a day or two.
I would still probably put her in that category.
Yeah. But she's definitely looking better.
Agreed. Okay, let her sniff for 1, 2, 3. Yay! Oh,
Coco, come here.
come on, Coco. We gave you a generous amount of sniff time. Okay, bye-bye. See you later.
Oh, that's actually a fun thing.
See you later.
You don't like the word bye-bye. Oh, more snacks.
There's a lot for her to smell. Okay,
Oh, look at
1, 2, 3. Bye-bye. It's working. She is walking. So maybe we figured out the secret is just for me to walk a little bit ahead. Keep you posted on how well it works in the long haul. Bye, baby. So far, so good. Can we just take a moment and appreciate the fact that Moose is now leading the way?
I know. What happened to being afraid? I wonder.
So brave. Oh, she really came out of your shell. And that's her signature, the 1 ear back. She always, since she was like a baby, have one of her ears back and one forward. And it's still like that. I don't know how it happens. I don't know why she doesn't adjust. It's just her signature.
This is actually kind of surprising how assertive she's being.
I know.
Maybe she just thinks this is the way to get home.
No, probably.
She's like, well, if I keep walking, it'll be over soon. Oh, the tongue's hanging. Someone's getting a workout.
She won't be maybe Squeak Mania tonight.
Coco, come here. Hey, get out of those bushes. Are you excited to move?
Yeah, I am. Are you?
I'm so excited to move. If we didn't say earlier, we're moving at the end of this month to Seattle, and the space is definitely a lot bigger. We're gonna have like an extra room, like a
There's kind of a little bit of a current tension between the two of us as to who is going to get and who deserves having their office more.
yeah, so that is definitely something we've been fighting about. In case you guys couldn't tell who decorated our apartment, I'll let you give a quick little guess.
It was me, but I will say that like I feel like I got all of the pink and like very girly stuff out of my system. And I think if you're a girl and you're watching this, like you can relate. Like you picture like kind of like your first apartment or whatever, like with all the fun patterns and the pink and like I don't know, at least like in the TV shows I watched, that was kind of always the vibe, and so that's always what I wanted. I sort of manifested that, even though I obviously live with Bobby, but I feel like now I'm developing more of like a mature style, and I feel like I am tending to want more neutrals, whites, creams, beiges. I feel like sometimes it's almost just too, I don't know. I feel like a neutral home is kind of a little bit, at least for my preference, a little better now. It feels more calm, sort of peaceful.
Thankfully.
And clean. Yeah.
But
thankfully.
the reason why I bring this up is
Oh, right.
because since Elizabeth has basically been in charge of decorating for the last 3-4 years at this point, it was promised to me that when we have a space.
When we have a house that you would have a man cave. It was
Okay, that's
never,
true.
never an office discussion.
Okay, well, at
And
least.
you know what? This is what I think. Like, if you get a job and you're like 100% based from home, then like 100%, like, and I have time where I go to the office, then like it should be predominantly or all yours. But like, if I'm the one that's like 100% from home and you have like 3 days
I
in the
get
office,
that. Yeah.
but you're wanting it to just be like,
Well,
you
I
have
think
like,
we need to figure out a system where maybe we both have a desk in there and we come to some sort of collaboration about how it's decorated. And, you know, maybe if you have to do interviews, I'm out of the room. If I have to make phone calls, I'm out of the room. That kind of thing. Maybe that's the consensus we'll have to come to. And have a valid input on the decoration style from both of us. But yeah, we definitely need to figure that out.
Also, I think like next time you have a day, or like I guess on Friday when we go, like we should look at the closet, and I think we should go to IKEA and get like built-ins, or like we need some extra form of storage, like even on top of the other closet, I think.
I would agree with that. And I think, like, do we have a dresser?
Well, like our IKEA one, I wonder if we could honestly just get another dresser.
I mean, I don't see why not. We have a lot of room. Or is there also like a space that we could put it like another like desk? You know?
No.
It's really
I mean,
just
there was probably like, you could put one somewhere, but there's not like another room.
okay.
It's like the bedroom, living room, extra room, laundry room, kitchen.
Yeah, we need to figure this out. I think this is the end of that trail.
No, it loops around.
Oh, you're right. This honestly seems like a kind of dangerous trail to run.
Like a lot of things.
Like,
to
look at
twist your ankle.
Yeah, it's just like big stumps sticking out. Overgrown areas. feel like it'd be really easy to eat shit here.
It feels kind of like humid.
It's because it's like 80 degrees out, but it's overcast. So it's just steamy out here. I personally can't wait for the fall. Fall is by a landslide my favorite time of the year. I love the weather. I love the way nature looks. I love the clothing. I love all the holidays. Honestly, everything about it I absolutely love. What's your favorite time of year?
I don't know.
Have you
Fall
not?
or summer? Summer, fall.
Oh, good girl, Coco.
I'm not big into spring.
I hate spring because of my allergies. Like every single day I wake up feeling like I can't breathe. This spring went by really fast though. Even the summer did too, actually, now that I
Well,
think
it's still
about it.
summer.
I mean, it's basically over.
Don't say that. It's still a month.
A month is nothing. It's like 2 paychecks.
Shit.
You know what I mean? I just think of time based in paychecks.
That's crazy.
Like, there's 3 paychecks till my birthday. You know, like that.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's like that's not that much time. And it may even be later than that if I start this new job.
What do you want for your birthday?
That is a great question.
Actually, I know what I'm gonna get you, and I don't care.
No, I don't want Lululemon running
Yes, you
shorts.
do. Yes, you do.
You like how I knew? You like how I knew that's exactly what she was
Because
gonna
I
get me?
know, like, this is so you. Like, you don't want something, and then, like, I finally just give it to you or get it for you, and then it changes your life, and you love it, and you're so happy. Like,
I am
you're
not-
so resistant.
Okay, I'm not saying that I wouldn't like it. I'm just saying that there's like a million things I would rather get instead.
Because you think that you would like those other things more.
I know what I like.
But you're never gonna get that. Like, you're never gonna get Lululemon running shorts for yourself. You just won't.
Well, maybe when
So-
I'm making enough money, I will.
Okay, what do you want instead?
I don't know. Apple's coming out with so much stuff this fall. So much stuff. There's gonna be the new iPhone, new Apple Watch, new MacBook Pros.
Hey, did you see Julia Haven's story too?
What?
I swear to God, I just saw an arm come out of that tree. That was fucking. I feel like I'm like on drugs or something. That's actually scary.
I don't see an arm.
Did you see Julia's Instagram story?
Which one?
The one where she's like writing on something?
Yes.
What was that?
I don't remember the brand name of it, but those are like just electronic notepads.
Well, I really want one. Are they expensive?
Probably. They're probably like $300.
Okay, what is Apple coming out with?
The new MacBook Pro, which is what I'm most excited about, and I will be 100% getting. The new iPhone, which, duh.
Again?
What do you mean? They come out with the new iPhone every fall.
You got your iPhone last fall?
Yeah, last September.
No.
Yes.
Feels like just a few months ago.
It wasn't. It was actually it was October this year because of the pandemic. But every September they announce the new iPhone. What kind of design aesthetics are we thinking for our new spot?
I already have it visioned. It's like the brown and white. It's like, I'll show them to you. They're like these bedside tables. And then instead of like having like lights on our nightstands, I think it'd be really cool to have like a hanging kind of like light that goes down above each bedside table that kind of like frames the bed.
I like that.
And then,
That sounds dope.
yeah, I know. Okay, good. You're liking my idea. And
Did you see how quickly her mood changed? Just so you could.
well, I just like, I know you, and I know that like,
No, nothing comes good out of sticking your head in a hole, Coco. Remember that. Continue. So we got the hanging lights.
and then I've seen some designs where it's like, they do like a tall mirror, like tall and kind of slim above each bedside table, but I don't know about like with the lights. I need to go back to my thing, but okay, it's the Talia nightstand. Hold on. This is a non-negotiable. So pretty. And then I want like just a plain white classic bed. And then like the kind of like a brown, this kind of like shade of a brown, not rattan, but kind of like that vibe that goes the hanging light fixture.
Okay.
Like, do you know what I'm kind of the
Yeah.
vibe? I think, and then maybe like gold, with the gold ending, like if we did a tall gold skinny mirror
Gotcha.
on top of like each nightstand. Don't you think that would be like so pretty?
Yeah, I'm into it.
And then we're also a non-negotiable. We're doing a light pink duvet cover from Urban Outfitters.
That's,
the bed.
That's negotiable.
No, it's not. It
What
was
happened
so
to neutral
pretty.
colors?
That is neutral.
Pink is not
And then
neutral.
we'll do like a kind of a gray kind of middle throw, white sheets.
You know, I'm open to like most things, but in the office, I have a color palette in my head that I really want.
Dark navy for you.
Well, when
Or
I
deep navy.
at least as far as like a wood color, like desk-wise, I really want walnut.
It's walnut.
It's like that dark brown, like it looks really. You tell me. Okay, look, I'll show you if you're not gonna.
I want to push you down this way.
That would be really not nice. This isn't safe. This is almost like driving and texting. That's how I feel.
Keep going.
Like that color wood.
Oh,
That's
Okay.
walnut.
I think I was thinking of like a cherry wood.
Yeah, probably. But I want like walnut in either brown leather or black leather, like accent stuff, like with my desk. So I want like a brown walnut desk. That's probably going to be a rising desk maybe, or maybe not, to be honest. I don't really know how much I'd use that. And then I want to get like black leather, like a black leather thing. You need to see it. You're doubting right now, but I promise you, you don't think about this as much as I think about it. The same way I don't think about the bedside tables and that stuff. I'm telling you, it'll look dope. And it'll all be super clean too, like not.
I mean, if the office is purely yours, I don't really care how you decorate it at all.
It's gonna be clean. I follow this Instagram account. It's called Clean Setups. And it's just like a whole account basically dedicated to different people's desk setups and stuff. It's fucking dope. And lots of inspiration. Coco, you're just so good. Hey, this is the way.
This is the way to the tunnel. Mommy, carry you. Are you all done?
Coco's tuckered out. We're gonna extend the hike a little bit.
Will Mama give you apps? Okay, I'll give you apps. Oh, yeah. Oh, you did so good, Teresa Moose. You did so very good. We are so proud of you.
We have to give her some water before we get in the car. Anyway, this kind of concludes the hike. We're gonna go get food. But yeah, if she wasn't so tired, I feel like this would be a good field for her to go run around on.
How far? Oh, never mind. Oh, wow. 8 miles.
Yeah, that's a real run. Do you think you could still run 8 miles?
Yes.
This guy looks like he just cut across the grass, the shortcut.
100%.
Got lost on the run. I know, some people just got. I wanted to yell. Shortcut? Oh, here it is. Here's the info. Trail run.
Well, there's a 4 mile and an 8 mile. Fun.
I could do the 8 mile.
No, you couldn't. I don't think you've ever ran 8 miles.
Yes, I have. One time. That's the longest I've ever
With
ran.
me?
No.
When?
I don't know. It's probably like 3 months ago, 3 or 4 months
No,
ago.
you didn't
yes.
run 8 miles without
Yes, I
me.
did.
There's
Yes, I did.
no way you would have done that. When?
I don't know the date.
You didn't tell me.
I did tell you.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
Where'd
I
you
did.
run?
I ran. God, I ran all the way down to Costco, then back around, then through the forest place. Then when I got out of the forest place, you have the keys. I ran straight all the way down to, I don't know the name of it, but I had to run through like all these office parks, and then I ran back around up to where Katanda is, and back around there. It was like 8 miles.
Did you really?
Yes. It was the longest run I ever went
You
on.
normally go 2 miles.
I know. I go 2 miles so I can run every day. When I ran 8 miles, I couldn't run for a freaking week. So 2 miles a day for 7 days, it's 14 miles. Or I could just run 8 miles one day and be too tired to run for a whole week, and my net mileage ends up being lower. So that's why I run shorter amount of miles, but every day.
You don't run every day.
I do run every day.
No, you don't.
Yes,
you
I
probably
do.
run 5 times a week.
I run 6 to 7 times a week. I've missed one day in the last like 18 days.
I'm being a bitch
Actually-
and I'm being rude and I don't really know why. You are good about running. Okay, this one's open until 7.
No, it's like in Seattle. No, don't do that. Because then we have to drive back over the bridge and it's rush hour right now.
No, I don't want to.
Just look at like this. You type in Evergreen.
That one's closed now.
And ones.
The Bellevue one would work, right? That's not too far.
It's right next to the chicken. Oh, it's closed.
It is?
I don't know. It says closed now.
That's the one in Kirkland that I knew would be closed. Do the one by
Oh.
Poop My Pants.
What is this phone doing right
I fell down at F45 today. I didn't tell you. It was really embarrassing.
now? How did you fall down?
I was like walking it out, you know. I was like trying to catch my breath, and like my legs were so weak that like I rolled my ankle and like my foot, and I fell over. And then I was like, oh no, like it's fine, like I'm fine. And then I kept working out, but like my foot hurts.
There's 2 Evergreens in downtown Bellevue.
One is by Chapoot My Pants, and the other is by the mall. Let's go to the one by Chapoot My Pants.
They're so ridiculous.
Evergreens, I love salad oh so much. I love evergreens.
I feel like this phone is totally cutting on. Oh, whatever.
I love evergreens. So put another crouton in my salad, baby. Is that a good one?
You're a loser. Oh, that must be where the race started. Oh yeah, we gotta end our hike. Good old Apple Watch.
Evergreens. Oh, it's so yummy in my tummy.
I really don't know what the hype is about.
I'm obsessed. Maybe you just get the salad I get, maybe.
Definitely not.
Why?
What's the salad you get? Jesus.
Quinoa.
Yuck.
No, you like quinoa. We have it in a lot of things.
Yuck.
Okay, whatever. You can get brown rice. Mixed greens.
Okay. You just blew a stop sign. Sick.
Parmesan cheese. Turkey.
Yuck.
Pesto.
I like the steak in mine. That was good.
Okay, well you can just see. There's also like a Mexican salad kind of version, but that.
I wonder if there's like an order ahead and pick up thing.
There is.
I'm gonna look into that.
There is.
Well, I'm gonna look into that.
There is.
Let's not take her word for it. I'm gonna look into that.
Should we order head? Can
Yeah.
we have Moosehead Eagle in the car?
Exactly. The moose-headed eagle is sitting in the back.
Mooseheaded Eagle, bitch.
Okay. Well, guys, rest assured,
How long
I'm
are you
gonna look into
recording?
that.
Did you get my song about the crouton?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, we got a crouton song.
Okay, good. That was good.
That was the highlight of this whole vlog, the shining moment, the coolest thing she's possibly ever said.
Salad, baby. I love Evergreens. Evergreens can sponsor us. I'll come up with your new theme song for your next commercial.
Yeah, that's totally fucking awesome. Put another crouton in my salad, baby. You know what's funny about that? You don't even like croutons.
I don't. Okay, look it up.
Can you not hit
Oh my
this
god.
biker?
There,
Jeez.
oh, I love the pink.
Yeah, look at this biker.
Sexy. Okay, let's order ahead because we're gonna be there.
Okay, I will. One sec. I'm looking at that. Can we not with like the demon? Oh, that guy just looked at me. He's got pink socks on too.
Okay, come on,
Now
buddy.
there's a cool guy.
Don't you know, wiggle in the vision, heat waves, I'm swimming in the mirror. Don't you know, wiggle in the vision, heat waves, I'm swimming in the mirror. I just wanna know what you're dreaming of when you sleep and smile so comfortable. I just wish that I could give you that bad look that's perfectly unsaid. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. He always been faking me out. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. I just wanna know what you're dreaming of when you sleep and
Back home. We got Evergreen. One of the weirdest places I've ever been.
It's Evergreens plural.
Evergreens. Oh, Coco, are you thirsty?
She should get a freshie bowl of food, Bobby. Don't you think? Give her freshie.
Don't I love wasting food?
Oh my god.
Here, Coco. Good girl.
She might just be my everything beyond, beyond.
Show us your form.
You think that's good?
No.
Will you do it? Will you do it for me?
Nope.
Better. Good enough. Hand me a fork, will you? A roog.
Sweet.
Oh, and then bring the nappy cons.
What are we watching? Oh, Outer Banks, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, we're watching Outer Banks, the most highbrow intellectual show of all time, with the best acting and best storyline, all that good stuff.
Mhm.
But yeah, this is the salad I got.
The same salad.
Same salad with some swap outs. But yeah.
Ocean wiggle in the vision, heat waves, I'm swimming in a mirror. Ocean wiggle in the vision, heat waves, I'm swimming in a mirror.